Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video of our series Motorcycle Garage. In this video, we talk about a simple and a useful product designed to be our travel companion in daily commutes and long rides. Yes, we're talking about the Dirtsack DG3 vest, a sleeveless jacket vest to wear with or without your motorcycle. Now, this is a multi-utility rider's vest. It is foldable with many multi-use easy access pockets. Now these pockets can be utilized for carrying multiple accessories, 8 liters to be exact, which can be used during your bike ride or your adventure travel. The vest has a dedicated sleeve to carry hydration pack. The multi-utility vest is made out of high quality mesh material. Jacket has multiple adjustment points to make it a custom fit. It has good quality stitching done on it, and the YKK zippers given in the jacket add to the premium feel of it. The jacket is foldable, which makes it compact and easy to carry around. Due to multiple adjustment points given in the jacket, it has a one size fit all property. It's light and easy to carry around. It makes it a perfect companion when you go for a ride, a walk or a hike. Now you can buy this vest on our site. Pricing of the vest is mentioned here. Link is in the description. It is on discount with few pieces left. Hurry and grab it before it stocks out. With that, we end our video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.